Okay, all keys lost for Ford Ranger 0721. Okay, so today we're doing a 2021 Ford Ranger. So that is the new key that we're going to program, and we've got about a 8 to 10 minute wait. Okay, we've just programmed this key, so we've added it to the system. So locked, I can see the lock light there. It's unlocked obviously because I opened the door. Okay, let's try it in the ignition and see if the car starts. And it does. Fantastic. There's my van. It's raining today and we had success. So that is it. There we go. Thanks for watching.